Hello everyone, welcome back to Trivial Logic. Today I'm going to tell you about Roman numbers. Okay, we are going to discuss about Roman numbers and what are these numbers. See, the numbers we use, those are called Hindu Arabic numbers. Okay, and those numbers can be written in the form of Roman numbers. For example, we write 1 in this way. So in Roman number, 1 becomes like this, 2 like this, in this way. Okay, now there are different numbers are there, different way of writing it is there, so we are going to discuss about that today in this video. See, Roman numbers, there are few rules are there. What are those rules? The first rule, we cannot repeat a same symbol. For example, see, 1 2 3. Now when I'm going to write 4, I can't write in this way. Means this symbol you can't use more than 3 times. So this is 3 times. Same way, C, that stands for 100. You can't write more than 3 times. If you want to write 400, this is wrong. M, you can't write more than 3 times. This is wrong. So maximum, each symbol we can write down only 3 times. Okay? So this is the first rule. And some symbols are there which you can't repeat. For example, so first one, more than 3 times. So first point you can write down, you cannot repeat a symbol more than 3 times. Number 2 point, few symbols like V, which stands for 5, L, which stands for 50. You can't write these symbols more than once. You can use this symbol only one time. So these symbols can be used only one time. Clear? So let's start, then you will understand more clearly. So now I'm going to discuss with you how to write Roman numbers. Okay? So first thing you have to remember how to write 1. Then 2, 3. Now, when you write 4, Roman number, one more rule is there. If you want to write down or subtract something, the smaller number should be before the bigger number. So, bigger number minus smaller number. So, for example, 4 we write down this way. But why do we write down 4 this way? Here, 5 and this one is 1. So, 1 and 5. So this is 1, this is 5. So 5 minus 1 is how much? 4. That's why in Roman number the 4 comes in this way, where the smaller number is before and then the larger symbol is afterward. So larger minus smaller, your answer is 4. Clear? So this is very important part. Then after this, you have to remember how to write 40, 90, I'm going to show you. So 5 plus 1, 6, 5, 6, 7, 5, B for 5, 1, 2, 3. So maximum 3 times we can write this one, 8. But then 9 how to write? So we know that we cannot write 4 times I. So we will write down 1, this one is 1, x. That is x stands for 10. X stands for 10. 1 stands for 1. So 10 minus 1 is 9. So we have to write down the smaller first, then the larger symbol. So this is 9. Clear? So 9 and then 10. So the basic way of writing full all 1 to 100 is that you have to remember 1 to 9. So the main thing you have to remember here is you need to learn 1 till 9, and then value of 10 is x, 20 is double x, 30 is triple x, 40 is not 4x. So what you will write down? 50 we know L. So L minus 10. You can use L stands for 50, X stands for 10. So 50 minus 10 is 40. So we will write down what? LX? No, we will write down small first, then large. So that's why it is XL, that is 50 minus 10, that is 40. Clear? Then 60 will be what? LX. When 60 plus 50 plus 10, 60. 70 will be how much? LXX. 80 L X X X. 90. Now 94x you cannot write. So what you will do? XC. C stands for 100. So 100 minus 10, that is 90. That's why it is XC. Okay? XC. So C minus X you have to do in this way. Then comes 100 is C. 200 is 2C, 300 is 3C, then comes 400. So you have seen where the bracket is coming, 40's place, 90's place, here 4's place, here 9's place, okay? So 400, what you will do? For that you need 500. So D is 500, 500 minus 100. So that is 400, so that's why CD. So in this way, the process will continue. So till 1000, you all can write very easily. So it will be DC, 700 means DCC, 800 means D8. But 900, what you will do? You will minus C, means minus 100 from 1000, because M stands for 1000. Clear? So from 1000, if you minus C, you will get 900. And in between numbers, you all can use 1 to 9. So suppose I am saying write 39. So 30 you know. If I am telling you 39, so 30 is X, X, X. And what is 9 you know? 1X. This is your answer. So let us practice some. Now if you want to write few numbers, I'm giving you few numbers, okay? How to write those numbers? 39, 45, 96, 121, 489, 627, 'So let's start. What you will do? 39, if you have remember X, X, X1, X, fine. If you don't remember, you can break it. 30 plus 9. So 30 means 3x, 9 means 1x. So 39. 45, how to write? So 40 plus 5. So 40 is how much? XL. We have learned it, XL. And 5. B. Clear? 96, how to write? 90 plus 6. So what is 90? 90 we have done XC. You have to remember this one. Okay, few number symbols you have to remember. 100 minus 10 is 90. And 6 is how much? 5, 1 is 6. Clear? 121. So 100 plus 20 plus 1. Expand it. You will never make mistake. 100 stands for C. 20 stands for 2x. 1 stands for only 1. So 121. Clear? 480 plus 9. So 400. How to write 400? That break place. Remember? So 500 400 is 500 minus 100. Clear? So we can write down this way. 100 stands for C because in Roman number, if you want to subtract, the smaller number will be written first, then the larger number. So CD, that means 500 minus 100. So 400 stands for CD. 80, 80 is how much? 50 plus 30, that is 80. And 9, 1x. So this is your answer. 627, 600 plus 20 plus 7. So what you will write down? 600 stands for D is 500 plus 100. That is 600. 20 is 2x. 7 is 511. Clear? 949. How to write 900? Remember, you can't write more than 3 times C. So what you will do? You will subtract CM, that is 1000 minus 100. 900. 40. How to write down 40? XL, that is 50 minus 10. 40. And then 9. 1x. So always break it. Always break it and write. You will never make mistakes. So this goes for this two. This goes for this one. This goes for this one. 3000 plus 200 plus 10 plus 8. 3000. So 1000 means M, M, M. 3 times only you can write down. Okay. Then comes 200. 2C. 10. 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's longer, but then don't get afraid. If you write down stepwise, you will never make mistake. That is the main motive of these sums. Okay, 600 is DC and 10. Clear? Now if I do it opposite way, so let me show you few sums on that. Expand it. So first term stands for 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000. X means 10 and then C. You see first, then you write XC. First is small, then suddenly after small only big. That means something is there. So what is XC? 100 minus 10, that is 90. 1x, that means again C. Smaller first, then bigger, larger number. So larger symbols, what you will do? X minus 1, that is 9. Now you write down the answer. So what will be the answer? 3099. Okay, this 3 goes for 3000. 100 place there is nothing. So XC means 100 minus 10, that is 90 and 9. And your answer is this one. Same way this one, C for 100. C for 100. You expand and write, you will never make mistake. X, then L is there immediately. That means this is 40. Clear? Then plus 4. So what will be your answer? This 300 plus 40 plus 4, which is equals to 344. This one, hundred, 2x. You can write down 10 plus 10 and then 2. Directly you can write down or 1 plus 1. So this is 2222. Done? Then the next one, CM. That means smaller first, then larger. This 1000 minus 100, 900. XC, that is 90. 1x, that is 9. So your answer is 999. Clear? So in this way, you need to expand and do the sums. But the thing is smaller and larger part. CM, XC, 1x, okay? CD, this all thing you have to remember. 1000 minus 100, that is 900. 10 minus 1, that is 9. XC, that is 100 minus 10, 90. DC, that is 500 minus 100, 400. Then XL, 50 minus 10, 40. So these few numbers, symbols, you have to remember. Yeah, so please go through the full video. If you like this channel, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe it. Thank you. Tada.